How do I annotate a scanned PDF? Have you ever wondered how to make the most out of a scanned PDF? Annotating these documents can turn them into powerful study tools. Let's break it down step by step. First, to annotate a scanned PDF, you need to make the text selectable and editable. This is where optical character recognition comes in. Optical character recognition, often abbreviated as OCR, converts the scanned image of text into actual text data. Most advanced PDF editors, like Adobe Acrobat, automatically run OCR when you open a scanned PDF. This makes it ready for annotation. Once the OCR is applied, you can use various annotation tools to add notes, highlights, comments, or drawings. Let's look at some common features. You can highlight important text passages to emphasize key points. Adding comments or sticky notes helps explain or expand on the content. Drawing shapes or freehand marks allows you to underline or circle areas of interest. Using callouts or cloud markups links your annotations to specific parts of the document. Now let's go through the practical steps to annotate a scanned PDF. First, open the scanned PDF in a PDF editor that supports optical character recognition. If the software does not automatically recognize the text, allow it to run OCR. Next, select the annotation tool you want to use, such as highlight, comment, or drawing. Apply your annotations directly on the text or areas that catch your attention. Finally, save the annotated PDF to preserve your notes. From a study strategies perspective, annotating scanned PDFs is a fantastic method for active reading and effective note-taking. It allows you to interact directly with lecture slides, reading materials, or handouts that were originally only available as images. By highlighting key concepts, adding clarifications, or summarizing ideas within the PDF, you create a personalized study resource that is easier to review and remember. Using annotation tools on scanned PDFs also helps organize your study materials digitally. This reduces the need for physical printouts and enables quick search and retrieval of important information. This approach supports efficient study habits by integrating note-taking and review in one digital workflow. So, the key to annotating a scanned PDF is applying optical character recognition, first to make the document editable and searchable. Then, use annotation tools to mark up the text and visuals effectively for study and review purposes.